Hello, engineers and members of the RHC Engineering community. I'm thrilled to bring you some exciting updates about our amazing YouTube channel members and the perks they enjoy. Let's break it down. For non-members, you can access the Reinforcement Quantity Calculator, a great tool to get started, but wait until you hear what our members enjoy. Level 1, members unlock the Con Section Checker, along with the Reinforcement Quantity Calculator. A huge shout out to our Level 1 members, Michael Vincent, Estrada Obina, Gerard de Mesa, Aguilar Roland Christian, Kai Kubota, Dulai Jello Andre, Andrew Rednavor, Force, Jerome Tuazon, Shane Magdadaro, Mikdad Jauhari, Cliff Harnath Salavia, Shireen Baruga, Noli Seguera, and Manolo Kabibihan. Thank you for supporting RHC Engineering. Now, let's talk about our Level 2 members, a truly talented group. They enjoy all Level 1 perks Pete Plus tools like the Con Beam Designer, wall-to-surface loads, wall-to-linear loads, base shear calculator as per UBC 97 code, torsional irregularity check, story drift check, and dynamic base shear scaling. Big applause to Giles Ron Barris, Jay Jimenez, Jason Arcello, Chester Allen Clavero, Sam Sison, Jar H, Jeremy Kurt Olia, Janelle Batala, CF Architectural Visualization, Samantha Datoon, Giovanni Mabisque, Mary Faye Reyes, Joshua R. Mendoza, Janus Maury, John Darwin Sabio, Mohiman Pasawilan, Gerald Molina, RJ Ariola, Renier Navarro, Samuel Martinez, Louis Azuga, Vince Felipe Villa Crucis, Lorenz Liano, Jenna Principi, Raghuveer Alugulapati, and Chris. You are the backbone of this community. And finally, the crown jewels of our membership program are our Level 3 members, Francis Barona and Ruffle John Wong. These elite members enjoy all Level 2 perks and some exclusive features, including the Create LC Envelope tool and the ability to embed their personal spreadsheet, one tool per month, into the application, accessible only by them. Thank you for your exceptional support. To all our members, your dedication fuels our passion for developing top-notch engineering tools. For those interested in joining, now's the perfect time. Just click the link in the comment section to become part of our growing RHC Engineering family. Together, let's keep building, innovating, and thriving. Thank you, everyone.